Hello students, today I will give introduction to chemistry. Chemistry is all about understanding the stuff around us and how it behaves. Chemistry is super important. It explains how things work in our daily lives, like cooking and cleaning. It's also vital for making stuff we use, like medicines and materials. Plus, it helps scientists understand the world better. You learn about matter, what things are made of, and its different forms like solid, liquid, gas, and even plasma. Elements are the purest form of stuff, while compounds are mixes of elements. Scientists use a method to study things called the scientific method. It involves making observations, guessing, hypothesizing, testing those guesses, and coming up with explanations based on what we see. Measurements in chemistry are super precise, using a system called the International System of Unit SI. We also have ways to name chemicals and formulas to represent them. Some big ideas in chemistry are laws, like the law of conservation of mass, which says stuff doesn't magically appear or disappear in reactions. Then there's the periodic table, a chart of all the elements, which helps us understand why they behave the way they do. Lastly, you start learning about chemical reactions, the way stuff changes when mixed together. It's like magic, but with rules. For more information, like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share. Thank you.